This video will show you the easiest way to create a Google nickname or password for your Google Meets, and it will also show you how to get your students in. So the thing you need to understand about nicknames is that it will not create a continuous link for your students. So there's not a link that they have to click on every day to get to your class, and it does not generate automatically. If you are using Google nicknames, you have to be the first person there. You have to insert the nickname and then start your class. This keeps students from coming into your class for first period at 8:05 when you're not ready for students to be there. So first, you need to pick what your nickname is going to be. I would suggest keeping it simple, a combination of your last name and the class period. But if you want more security, add extra features to it. So for example, if I have fifth period, mine is Cope fifth. If I want to add more security, I may say Cope 5th A or something like that. Something random that you add things to. All right. So in order for you to get into your Google Meets using your password, you're going to click on the waffle button and you're going to go directly to Google Meet. There's no need for you to go to your calendar or your email or anything like that. Go straight to the Google Meet page. You can also put meet.google.com into the search bar and it will take you to this page. You're then going to click join or start a meeting and you will put in your nickname. So again, like I said, mine is Cope 5th. If your students are trying to get in before you, they do not have access to start a meet with using a nickname. You have to be there first. So once I do that and I click continue, everything will start and then you will click it'll show you that no one else is here, join now, and we're back where we're at regularly. Students will take the same method to get there, okay? They will go to their Google homepage, click the waffle button, click Google Meet, and then type in your code. This is the simplest way to make sure that they aren't losing links and to make sure that they can just go directly to it, and you can set up a time for them to be in your class. I start mine at 8:25 for my first period so that it gives me time to get everything together and it gives them time to move between classes. And no one is there before I am, so there's the security there.